Welcome to Netron, the takeaway and delivery restaurants platform. In this guide, we will show you how to get started with Netron POS from beginning to end. This includes installing the app on your Android mobile device or tablet, licensing the POS app, and syncing your location's data, such as users, menus, products, and printers, with your device. You'll learn how to manage clock-ins and clock-outs, start taking orders, print tickets from the kitchen printer, and handle new orders through takeaway, pickup, delivery, and dine-in methods. Additionally, we will cover how to incorporate JustEat, UberEats, and any other sales channels orders into your end-of-day reports and how to close the day with a Z report or end-of-day report. The first step to setting up the Netron POS app is downloading it from Google Play. Search for Netron POS in Google Play. You can also find the download link on the Netron dashboard Get Started page. Search for Netron POS in Google Play. The first time you run the Netron POS app, you will encounter the sign-in page. This page appears only after the initial installation of the app or when there is no POS license linked to the device, mobile or tablet. Your Netron account, username, password, is created when you sign up for the Netron platform. When your device does not have a POS app license, after signing in with your Netron account associated with your restaurant, you will be prompted to select a company, organization. Following this, you will need to choose a location that falls under the selected company. If your device already has a POS license assigned to it, you won't be asked these options. After selecting the location where you want your device to operate, you will see a list of available POS licenses for that location. You can purchase licenses from the Netron dashboard and assign them to the desired location. Here, you can view all assigned and unassigned POS licenses. To assign a license, simply click on the Assign License button. Once assigned, the Next button will appear under the license table. After clicking the Next button on the license page, the Netron POS app will begin syncing its configuration data from our servers. This process may take around 20 to 30 seconds, depending on your internet speed. Please wait until the passcode page appears. Once the passcode page appears, you or your location users who have a passcode can log into the POS app and begin taking orders from it. You can generate a passcode for each user from the dashboard, Location, Users, Generate Passcode button next to the username. Note: to ensure that the POS app is syncing with the server correctly, you must see the company and location name displayed under the passcode window. Netron POS homepage offers essential features for managing restaurant daily operations: order entry for handling order entries, time management for tracking employee hours, reports for key business metrics, settings for device configurations, and channels entry for integrating sales data from platforms like JustEat and UberEats. This centralized hub simplifies and streamlines management tasks. The order entry feature in Netron POS streamlines the process of handling various order types such as takeaway, delivery, pickup, and eat-in, including online orders. It provides access to a comprehensive customer list, real-time order tracking, and menu management tools for updating products, pricing, and categories. The order entry page prioritizes user experience by consolidating all ordering methods into a single screen, allowing users to easily switch between them. The color coding scheme, blue for the active button, helps users quickly identify their current selection. For instance, when the takeaway order method is selected, it appears in blue. The menu button in the navigation bar is also highlighted in blue to indicate the current menu. Within this menu, the Buy One Get One Pizza menu group is highlighted in blue, displaying all its products. The sales channel page designed to enter daily sales from other takeaway channels, JustEat, UberEats, Deliveroo, into the end-of-day report. This consolidates all sales data, allowing owners to view past and present reports through the Manager app, providing a clear overview of the business turnover. The Sales Channels feature in Netron POS helps owners enter daily sales from other takeaway platforms like JustEat, UberEats, and Deliveroo into the end-of-day report. For example, the owner inputs total sales of £1,289 for JustEat, categorizing them by order method, pickup or delivery, and payment type, cash or card. Once the details are entered, clicking the Place Order button consolidates these sales into the end-of-day report. Time clocking features a design that allows your staff to clock in and out. Employees can view their clock in and clock out times, as well as their current week's wage calculation based on their clocking data. Employees can view their clock in and clock out times, select their role for the day, as well as their current week's wage calculation based on their clocking data. Reports is designed to give owner or manager access crucial reports like end of day, product sales, staff, managers, and orders reports. The end of day report page in Netron POS is divided into two sections. The left side displays the end of day report summary, while the right side lists all unpaid orders. Owners can close these unpaid orders directly from this screen using cash or card payments. This streamlined process by eliminating the need to navigate to different pages to close orders individually, thus saving time and improving efficiency. Settings is designed to configure local device, mobile or tablet, settings such as payment integrations, printer settings, online ordering settings, and configuring license for the device. You've successfully get started with Netron POS, basic guide on the Netron takeaway and delivery platform. Don't hesitate to reach out to our supportive takeaway owners community on https://community.netroneats.com.